Booster.
Okay.
I want to make it. Show me, mate.
Kasi Pitbull lovers, we're back with it. So guys, what are you saying? What are you saying, bro? Oh, this is Catalia. You said what dog is this?
Dangasa. She's mixed blue line with Togo. She have different
What?
different bloodlines.
Yeah.
Togo, Pitbull,
Yeah.
American Pitbull Terrier.
Yo.
After that, in Togo, Argentina, in Richburg.
It's like all in one.
Yeah, but she's not Richburg.
Oh, she's not rich big.
It's not Richburg yet. Like, it's just like that when she was born.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she never had it like when she was a baby.
Oh, okay.
Just like
Develop after.
like yeah, when she was in the
So what if the parents also had like a rich
But
bag?
I did take up a blood test.
Okay. Yeah.
And then they told me no, it's not a rich way because it's straight bullying. You see some dogs, you know, like bite marks. You know?
Yeah.
So they say it's like a bite mark or something.
Yeah.
Because I Google everything and see what. Why
Yeah.
people say it's rich. And she's not a rich way.
So she's a mix.
It's a mix of doggo, bully, pit bull, and you
You win.
get. Yeah.
Kasi Pitbull lovers, we're back with it. Kasi Pitbull lovers, we're back with it. Check this tiny one. This guy is so tiny. This guy is tiny. Got nice color, boss. I like the color, dog. You said what dog is this, puppy?
Bull terrier mixed pit bull.
Bull Terrier mixed pit bull.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Said how old?
7 weeks.
7 weeks.
Yeah, short-legged.
Short,
Mother infant.
short-legged.
Yeah, mother infant.
Damn. Got nice color, bro.
So,
Kasi people lovers, we back with it.
yeah, you come to
Koala King, yeah. But this guy is coming nice, dog. I like the skin also, like the fur, like doesn't have too much like. Yeah.
But I don't want to make what the father's uncle.
Yeah.
Like an inbreed. I want something.
It's too nice, bro. It's nice.
You see, and I think it's going, you see.
It's just the car,
It's
the
cold.
this coat, bro.
I'm telling you, because I'll even live here because I have no yard for looking for a
The
yard.
coat is so like, yo, it's very nice,
So I'm
dog.
looking for a yard.
So you're looking for a yard for this dog?
For, yeah.
Are you serious?
Because they were afraid. Yeah, because they were afraid to keep complaining, you see.
But the flats, they keep complaining. So where does the dog stay?
By flats. But I never travel.
It stay inside the flat.
Yeah, in house. Only work at night or during the
That's
day.
crazy, bro. People love their dogs. It's crazy.
Yeah.
So now what? It barks on the flat, like.
It's not really. Unless someone
Does the
comes.
children make like trouble?
Yeah.
But she buy, but she
Yeah.
buy, but she don't
Okay.
play by it.
Damn. But it looked like she's gonna go on heat.
She is going on it. See her.
She is going on heat.
Yeah, see her.
Damn.
You see her.
Oh, okay.
You see, she starts now.
I see.
She keep on licking up blood.
Damn. So what? You gonna breed her
Yeah, I wanna breed.
now? Now she's still young,
You
bruh.
must let me know.
One jaw male, Papas.
But
Huh?
I wanna breed,
The same
but
color like
I wanna breed you. Even it's a different color, any color.
Any color?
Yeah, chocolate, white, or brown, or that color even.
Oh, okay. So it's lot dogs in one.
Yeah.
You said it's what? It's Togo, Argentino,
Togo, Argentina.
and
I see the green. No,
Cap, bro. Cap.
There's a anchor.
And what else again? On the blue line.
Yeah.
Hala dog. This dog got blue line, guys. But I like the tail, dog. Yo,
All my dogs keep a gray puppies.
how is it?
Gray puppies.
Gray puppies.
Yeah.
Wow. That's dope, bro. That's cap, bro. That's cap. You said what else again is in the stock?
Bully putty, normal put.
A bully, normal pit bull, and what?
Old school.
Old school pit bull,
American pit bull.
American pit bull terrier in one dog, boss.
Yeah.
Compact. That means this dog is compact. That's cat, bro. That's cat,
When you
bro.
tell me she's bully me today,
That dog in this picture is nice.
she's bully.
See what you're showing me here in this photo is nice. So this dog also have the same dog
No, she's
on it.
bully.
Yeah.
And the dog, father's the dog.
Oh, okay.
Father's the dog, but mother's a full bully.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
So that's why I get it. See, that's why I get my puppies from home. They don't come out on color.
Yeah. Different.
This is a father.
Ese é good
Different
cara,
color.
This is a father.
Damn, bro. This guy is showing me some good dogs on this phone.
You see,
Some good dogs, dog.
he's just
So this dog is all in one.
all in one.
That's cat,
This
bro.
is a dog, you see, the first time I met you.
Oh, okay. Oh, bro.
You see this dog?
I see the dog, bro.
Yeah, he does his insurance still.
Tiny.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But otherwise, she's a good dog.
And this is still me. Another one.
I see people lovers until you meet again. Until you meet again.
XL bully, his name is Tony.
Until the next video.
Kadalia.
Dog fresh, bro. Yo.